To begin, we will start with the energy systems. In the anaerobic energy systems, we have PCR, which is 3 to 5 seconds, and glycolysis, which is about 2 to 3 minutes, and it primarily burns carbs. In the aerobic energy systems, we have the Krebs cycle and ETC. The Krebs cycle and ETC burns fat. Krebs cycle also uses ketones and fatty acids, which is a little more than 3 to 5 minutes. These are both also in the mitochondria. Moving on to fatigue. Fatigue occurs in endurance athletes from a decrease in muscle glycogen and free radicals. We can also see this in low intensity and long duration workouts. However, to combat muscle fatigue and tiredness for an endurance athletes, eating carbs can be beneficial to provide energy for the athlete. During majority of the run, the athletes will be primarily burning fat with the aerobic energy systems. However, endurance athletes do not solely rely on this. When they have to pass a competitor or need to sprint a 400-meter dash, they will switch into the anaerobic energy systems. This is where carbs play a role. Carbohydrates are simple sugar molecules. Carbs are turned into glucose for glycolysis. Glucose can fuel these repetitive muscular contractions and create the much needed energy to run. We can also see this as when work rate plateaus and there is an energy demand. The fuel that is burned will then switch from fat to carbs.